We are pleased to show you the 2019 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.